Hello and welcome to my channel Techie Krish. Today I have brought in binary files since we are dealing with the binary files, and this time I'm going to tell you how to dump multiple records in the binary file using one record only. So last time in the last video you must have seen that I tried to dump only one record, or it was in the form of the list. And this time I am going to tell you how to write multiple records in the binary file. So into the binary file, if you want to dump the records, it should be in the form of 2D list. Why? Because if you have observed that I try to write the record in the form of the list. So if you want multiple records, then you will have to use 2D list, means list of the lists. So how to do it? So we'll see how to write these records in the form of 2D list. So I'll give you a small demo on how to create the 2D list for the records. So without wasting much time on this discussion, we are moving towards ideally. This is incorrect. What I am loading from here ideally. So this is the Python interface, and I'm going to show you how to make 2D list of the records. So to make 2D list of the records, I'm declaring a list variable like this, and this is another list which is composed of the roll number and name and the marks. So one list is created, and I'm going to dump this list into records. Now, how to dump this list into records? Records dot append and rec. So if you print this records list, you will see one list inside another list. And if you want to add more list here, for example, rec is equal to one more record I am going to give 101, say Chashi, and say 90. So the second list is created, and this time again I am repeating the same method, records dot append and rec. So if you print this records, you'll get two lists. There's one list, and the one list is having two different lists inside the list. So this is called the list of the lists. So if you remember that every element in the list is indexed. So over here in this list, outer list, if you see, there are two elements, number one and number two. So index of this list is 0, index of the second list is 1. So if you want to print say records, if I say 1, it will give you 101 Shashi and 90. So this is the second record. And if you want to use any particular element of this list, you can use uh, two indexes. How? Suppose I want to print Sashi, then I'll have to use one, one, and the index of Sashi is also one. So one is the index of this record and one is the index of Sashi. So I will have to write one here. So when I say OK, then it will print Sashi. तो अब हम चलते हैं कि किस तरीके से हम मल्टीपल रिकॉर्ड्स को अपनी बाइनरी फाइल में लिखवाते हैं। तो इसके लिए हम ओपन करते हैं फाइल, ओपन, इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ। तो सबसे पहले जो काम होगा जब हम बाइनरी फाइल का प्रोग्राम करना जा रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहला जो स्टेप होगा, इट शुड बी import pickle, and the function name I'm taking def write data, and since it is a list of the lists, so for that I am going to declare one list here, say records, like this, and opening file handle is equal to open exam dot det, and the file mode is wb, w to write, b for binary. Since I have to make a loop, so while true is creating the loop, and कितना हमें लेना है, we will have to take roll number, roll number is equal to int input roll number, then name is equal to input name, नेम ले लिया, नेम के साथ में लेना है marks, so marks are here, int input marks, एंड ये फील्ड्स देने के बाद इसको हम लिस्ट में डंप करेंगे। तो हाउ टू मेक द लिस्ट आउट ऑफ these fields? So rec is equal to, this is the temporary list, roll number, comma, name, comma, marks, so this is the temporary list, and इसको मैंने करना है, इस लिस्ट को बनाना है list of the lists. So records dot append, and rec I want to append. सो क्या हुआ कि ये जो लिस्ट अभी हमने एंटर की है, इस लिस्ट से क्या हुआ कि जो मेन लिस्ट है उसके अंदर ये डंप हो गई। तो नाउ इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिस इज द फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड, एंड इफ यू से यस टू कंटिन्यू, the next record will come, and that record will also be appended. So how to append that record? Just see, yn is equal to input more, yes or no, if yn n or small n, then break, come out of the loop, and now this is time to dump the record. How to dump? Pickle dot dump records, कहाँ पर? फाइल में, comma file, and then close it. F dot close. So we have written multiple records onto this file. This way we can write multiple records onto the binary file. And since we have written the records onto the binary file exam.dat, but running this program will not show you how many records are written. So this becomes a bit mandatory to create the reading program also this time. So I'm going to create a function which will read the entire data from the exam.dat. So def read data, f is equal to open exam.dat, and this time the mode will be rb read binary file, taking d as data, and this time pickle dot load and file handle. अगर आप चाहें तो डायरेक्ट भी हम प्रिंट करा सकते हैं या फिर हम लूप भी चला सकते हैं फॉर डी इन डेटा प्रिंट डी, एंड उसके बाद करते हैं हम इसको क्लोज, एफ डॉट क्लोज, और इसके साथ ही साथ हम इसको दोनों फंक्शंस को कॉल करते हैं, प्रिंट writing data onto the file. Call here write data, and or after writing the records we are going to read, print the records in the binary file are read data. So this is the program. Now it's time to run this program. Let's see what happens. Save this program. Okay, f does not, f is the error. What is f? F is equal to line data wb records y true. F is equal to open this, f dot close. Why this error? I'm not able to get it. Multiple. Line number 15, f is not defined. What is f? Line number 15. Okay. writing it onto the file. Roll number 101, name Sumit Kumar, marks, yeah, 89, and I'm going to say yes. Roll number 102, Rahul Sinha, marks we up to 90, say yes. Roll number मान लीजिए 103, Nitin Saxena, 78, yes. Say Anamika 104, Anamika 91, yes. Sur Surabhi, good. Okay, okay, roll number is wrong. So I'll have to run this program again. Come on. 102. Sunil Kumar, marks 90, yes. Row number 103, Anamika 91, yes. 104, Rahil, marks 65, and no. Okay, so you must have observed that I have entered four records, and the four records are written onto the file. So this way we can insert multiple records in the binary file. And one another thing you must have observed that all the records are in the form of the list. So over here, the entire binary file contains a list of the lists. So this way we can input multiple records into the binary file. Hope this program is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, kindly write it in the description box so that I can give the answer of your query. So we'll meet in the next video. Uh, Till then, bye bye. And before saying bye, I request you to kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that as and when new video is uploaded, you'll get the notification as and when this is uploaded. So मिलते हैं अपने next video में. Till then, bye bye.